Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. I just got done investing in stocks for 100 days in a row using Cash App. So we're going to take a look at it, do a little overview, and show you what happened. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in stocks for 100 days in a row. So we can come here to the investing tab. Let's go to the all-time view. So this is my all-time investing chart. And you can see that over the 100-day period, I gained 9.62% on my investment. We can scroll down to my investments here. You'll see $100 invested. I invested $1 per day, and I gained $9.74. I was up over 10% yesterday, but it looks like generally the market is a little bit down today. So we can take a look at my portfolio. I'll just go to my total investment. So here is how deep I am in each of these investments. So I've got Square, Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, Match, Luckin Coffee, Apple, Alibaba, Snap, Chat, Neo, Alphabet, Microsoft, Starbucks, Vanguard, Invesco, and WWE. So I have a wide array of stuff that I was buying. Just wanted to test it out, give people a good idea of what would happen if you begin to invest a little bit in the stock market, because a lot of people are scared to try. They don't know what will happen, and I wanted to do this experiment to see the same thing for myself and to show people if you invest a little bit, this is sort of what can happen. And a lot of people think they have to invest a ton of money, but Cash App allows you to buy partial shares. So like if I only want to buy $1 of Square, I can do that rather than buying a whole share, which is worth $83. So let's go to my total return. So you can see these are my returns for each stock that I bought. So Tesla gave me the best return, $6 invested, $4.60 gained. You know, most of these did pretty well for me. A few of them did not go that well, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they won't do well over the long run. It just means that they're down at this time, like maybe they had a bad month or a bad week. You know, this could turn around right now and begin to head upwards, and this could turn out to be a good investment over the next month. But yeah, Cash App, very easy to use for investing in stocks. You can buy partial shares. I have tutorials on this channel. You can learn how to buy stocks, sell stocks, buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, all kinds of other stuff. I also have the full experiment documented on my other channel, day 1 to 100, so you can check that out if you want. But I just wanted to do this experiment to give beginners an idea of what could happen. I hope this inspires some other people to start. You can start to learn this stuff with very little risk. You know, you can just put in $1, $5, see what will happen, start to learn it a little bit, and then once you see like, oh, I'm not going to lose all my money, or I could gain a little bit of money, maybe that will open you up to the idea of doing bigger investments. So yeah, that's it. That's the experiment. Cash App is great for this type of stuff. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.